I'm Sai Nandan Reddy, founder and director of INITIATIC School. We are in the field of providing spiritual solutions for personality development, and we offer various online and offline courses through our website. We also offer corporate workshops, and we also give talks at various programs. So I welcome you all. Today being the full moon of Capricorn, we are so fortunate here. I thank all of you for taking out your time and coming here to experience the energies and session. So, what all are the energies which we are receiving from the constellation of Capricorn? And what are the qualities we have to develop within us so that we can absorb these energies? And what are the changes we go through? What are the changes we go through within us if we develop these qualities within us? And within this session, I request you all to have a pen and a paper with you, because there will be certain practical sessions too. Three primary energies which we are receiving today. Those are first ray, third ray, and seventh ray energies. Before we talk about these energies, let me tell you that this particular topic and content has been excerpted from a book called as Wisdom of the Zodiac by Torquem Seredarian sir. It's a wonderful book and I recommend it to be read by everyone. And what is the importance of full moon? Let me just tell about this for a minute. During full moon days, we get abundant energies from constellations of stars. We do receive energies on normal days also, but on full moon days, these energies are very high, and because of which we will be able to have these energies. Today, we are also experiencing lunar eclipse. So the energies are very, very special. So these energies which are coming from the constellations are very, very, very important for a person who wants to develop spiritually and also develop their personality. There are many things within us which stop our own progress. It is seldom external events stop us or hinder our progress. It is 99% our own internal reactions to the external events which hinder our progress. So, during this full moon periods, that is 2 days before full moon, and 2 days after full moon, this 5 days are called as full. During this period, since the energies are very high, we can use, if we are intelligent, we can use these energies to transform ourselves, that to eliminate the negative qualities within us and develop the positive ones. Right? So, about understanding these energies, taking this, that means contacting energies and then assimilating these energies or digesting these energies, as well as giving these energies to everyone. Right? Contact and understanding the energies, receiving the energies, digesting the energies, and radiating these energies to everyone. Right? Yes. So that is the importance of the full moon period. So let us now understand what are the energies which we are receiving today. The predominant energies are first ray energies, third ray energies. Don't get confused, these are simple things. First ray energy means willpower. That means today we are experiencing energies which will help us develop willpower, right? So, what is this willpower? Willpower is the urge within us which propel ourselves forward. What is propelling forward? Propelling forward means to transcend our limitations. These limitations can be in the physical body, in the form of addictions, or in the emotional body, in the form of jealousy, ego, in the form of mental body, in the form of fanaticism, separatism, ego, etc. So, this willpower within us an urge to overcome our own inherent limitations. This third ray energies are intelligence. The third ray energy which we really receive today is called as ray of intelligence, or which is also called as contact and communication. Intelligence is very, very important. Even though a person has got virtues, but if he doesn't know how to apply, where to apply, in which quantity he should apply it, and in which situations he should apply it, then even having a positive virtue can be a problem. A person need to also discriminate between things. One of the aspects of intelligence is discrimination. So what is discrimination? Discrimination means to find out what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad, to what extent something is good and to what extent it is bad. And discrimination is also related to one's intuition. It is not just mind oriented, right? And what is contact and communication? These Capricorn energies will help us to create contact and communication with many things. It can be our inner guru, it can be communication with an idea, right? It can be communication with an ashram. So, this third ray helps us in this communication. And what is the seventh ray? Seventh ray is all about organizational ray. That means creativity. That means you have, through first ray and third ray, first ray you have the willpower to overcome your limitations. Through third ray, you have the intelligence. That means you have contacted your guru or an idea or a goal or a vision, and you want to achieve that goal. Seventh ray, you will be able to achieve that goal. How? Through organization, through creativity, right? You will make changes into your life, into your family life, career. You will make certain organizational changes so that you will be able to achieve that vision or that goal. Getting? You will be able to make changes within your emotional and mental realms, into your mind, into your emotions. And why do you want to do all these organizations? organizational changes, because you want to achieve your goal, achieve a divine vision